Hi, ako po ulit si Alice Lee, and in this video, gusto kong ipakita kung paano mag-view ng ads. Unang-una, bakit ba kailangan mag-view ng ads? May mga nagtatanong, ito na ba yung trabaho natin to earn? Hindi po. We will still earn kahit hindi tayo nag-view ng ads. Pero by the time na gusto nating mag-withdraw, kailangan nating mag-view ng at least 25 ads. So halimbawa, this week, gusto nating mag-withdraw, kailangan nating mag-view ng 25 ads. Okay? So, to do that, pagka-login mo pa lang sa dashboard mo, sa baba, makikita mo na agad itong traffic exchange. And then, meron dito, view ads. Okay? So, click on that. Okay. So, makikita mo na. So, there will be a separate window para ma-view mo yung ad. And then, sa site mismo, nagra-run yung counter. So, paisa-isa lang yung pwede mong i-view. Hindi pwedeng maramihan. So, pag nag-zero na yung timer, you can either view next ad or you can click stop viewing ads. So, for now, let's stop viewing ads. Okay. So, dapat makikredit siya dito. So, after mong mag-view, makikita mo na dito yung stats mo. Okay? Ads viewed today. So, you can either click this or click this Act Now button. Okay? And then, pagka-view mo, makikita mo na agad yung total dito. So, para hindi ka nalilito, I suggest na gawin mo to one time lang kung gusto mong mag-withdraw within the week. Since mabilis lang naman siya. So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. So, again, this is Alice Lee, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.